The perfect Poema skincare customer is someone who's looking to take their skin to the next level. They're kind of, tired of maybe wasting their time and their money somewhere else. They're going to spend a certain amount of money and a certain amount of time laying down on someone's table, and they're kind of like, it feels okay, it looks okay, but what did that really do, right? And where am I really going? So my perfect client is someone who's looking basically for a skincare coach that's going to be holding their hand and educating them and encouraging them and tweaking things as we go on through this process, because this is, the face that you have, you're going to have it forever. So it's not just a one-time fix. So whether you're a man or a woman or a teenager, someone who's really committed to themselves and to their results and are willing to go through that process with me to really understand what their skin needs on the treatment side and are willing to do those things at home with our skincare products that are meant to complement and enhance those results that we're getting here together, because it really is kind of like a personal journey, a skincare coaching session in a way. And so those are my best clients.